Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the Realme logo on the screen. And to wake up the screen on your watch, simply press the side button like this. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Now scroll down through settings, find the option called General, and tap on it to enter. Then scroll down, tap on the option called Reset, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.